I hope you have found the derivatives of these two functions. And if you haven't, make sure you pause this video because we're going to explain how to find the derivatives now. I'm going to begin by doing a rewrite of this f of x. And I'm going to rewrite this so that we can apply the power rule along with our sum difference rules and along with our constant multiple rule. So the 12x to the fourth is a term that I can deal with using the sum difference constant multiple rules. The plus 3 is a term that I can deal with. But this minus 10 over x, I'm going to have to rewrite. And the way you should rewrite that is you should rewrite it as minus 10 times x to the minus 1 power. So dividing by x is like multiplying times -1. Now, I hope you noticed that I had screwed this up. Then I made the common mistake. Hopefully you catch that and you don't make the common mistake. Everybody see what I did there? I hope you don't make that common mistake. Don't start writing f prime at the bottom. Make sure you write f, and then once you take the derivative, write f prime. So f prime is going to be 48x to the third plus 0. In that list, in this last term, this -10 gets multiplied times a -1 to become a plus 10. And when I subtract 1 from the exponent, that -1 becomes a -2. And so once again, if I want to clean this up, my derivative is equal to 48x to the third plus 10 over x squared, or if you'd rather use negative exponents, you can say plus 10 times x to the -2. So either way, you write that derivative. I tend to leave out the 0, but you can write the derivative either this way or this way. Now for the g of x, I'm going to rewrite this first. Remember, don't go g prime, just go g of x. A rewrite is 6 cosine of x plus 4 times natural log of x. The other thing to watch out for is sometimes people will see two terms like this and they'll want to rewrite one but take the derivative of the other. Don't mix and match. Just do a rewrite and then take the derivative of each term. So don't try to mix and match where you've rewritten one term but taking a derivative of the other, because then it gets very confusing. The derivative of cosine is negative sine, so you're going to get -6 times sine of x plus 4 times 1 over x becomes 4 over x. And that's as simple as I can write that g prime. That's as simple as I can write the derivative. So again, be careful on the rewrite versus the derivative. Sometimes people will start taking a derivative here and then realize, oh, I need to do a rewrite here. And then they'll do a mix and match at like a middle stage, and it never works out really well. So rewrite, then take the derivative, and then if I want to clean it up, I can clean it up. Rewrite, and then take the derivative.